Hi, I'm Tim Cole. I'm your host here at Meet IT, brought to you by Siemens IT Solutions and Services. We are here at the European Identity Conference in Munich to talk about how companies in the services industry can do business in other European countries just as easily as at home. Europe has 3 alphabets, 23 languages, and 27 member states. The economic barriers may be gone, but the cultural and the digital barriers remain. If you're a store owner, say in Berlin, and you want to set up shop, say in Barcelona or in Brighton or in Brindisi, you first have to fight legions of bureaucrats who can't speak your language and who sit at computers that are incompatible with the system used in other countries. SPOCS, Simple Procedures Online for Cross-Border Services, will help tear down these digital barriers and hopefully pave the way for more and better services in Europe. How? I asked Martin Spitzenberger, who represents the Austrian Federal Chancellery in the SPOCS project.
SPOCS is the implementation and the improvement of the implementation of the points of single contact. Points of single contact are the one-stop shops. There are one or more in each member state, and they can take the application of a business for a license, for example, for a permit, and distribute it, forward it to the competent authorities without the need for the business to know which authority is competent and where to submit an application. For a service business, this means less effort, less time, less costs, and at the same time they have the potential for improved services, more innovative services, a broader marketplace, and more business opportunities. The project consortium consists of 12 partners. There are 7 partners from 7 member states, for example the Austrian Federal Chancellery, representing public administrations, and there are also partners from the private sector, for example Siemens IT Solutions and Services.
Of course, companies, like private citizens, want to be sure that the data that is transported between government agencies in different countries remains secure at all times. I asked Professor Zacha Paulus, an analyst with Kuppinger Cole & Partner, specializing in digital ID management, what he feels is important.
The biggest problem is interoperability, both at a technical as well as a legal level. We have to sort out what attestation and authentication actually means to get things to work. As an expert, as well as a citizen, I would expect reuse of existing standards as well as simplicity. So, for example, a foreign service provider should contact my home identity provider so that I always can see the same authentication screens.
So secure ID lies at the heart of SPOCS. I asked Sabine Erlinghag, Vice President and Head of Identity Management and Biometrics at Siemens IT Services and Solutions, what you need to create a safe and secure administrative process.
We design proactively the security system for the SPOCS project and the big EU pilot. And specifically in there, we do the e-delivery system, so transporting in a secure way the documents that need to be submitted from the sender to the recipient, and then storing them in the e-safe, another component that SIS, Siemens IT Solutions, is delivering to us. Security and identity and access management is part of a bigger picture, really. That means identity management plus PKI plus strong authentication plus biometrics and smart cards really are the bigger picture for us, and therefore we believe that to our customers we really have the most comprehensive offering to make.
Well, that about winds it up here at the European Identity Conference. I hope you enjoyed the show. This is Tim Cole for Meet IT, brought to you by Siemens IT Solutions and Services.